Hello my fellow nerds, my name is Jamie and I'm trying to live my best nerd life. Now can you guys actually believe that the original Nintendo Wii came out on November the 19th, 2006? This thing's nearly 13 years old. It's a teenager. What? Time really does fly by very, very fast these days. And with the ever continuing development and evolution of technology, this thing right here is getting even more obsolete with every single year that passes. As an example, this thing doesn't even have a modern HDMI output, which means it can be a little difficult to connect to some modern televisions. But luckily, there is something that will solve pretty much all your problems. So, what is the magical item that will solve all your Wii to HDMI output problems? Well, let me introduce you to the Wii to HDMI Adapter. Now this thing is an absolutely fantastically named product because it does exactly what it says on the tin. It converts Wii output to HDMI. You can't get much simpler than that. And luckily this thing isn't even hard to get and it's not expensive at all. I think I got mine for like £3. There's literally tons and tons and tons on the internet. I've had a hard time kind of tracking down exactly what company makes this because there's so many out there from so many different sellers on eBay and Facebook and Amazon and all that kind of stuff. There's just got to be one place in like China that churns these out like constantly 24/7 and just spews them all out everywhere because they just look exactly the same, all of them. There's no kind of defining company logo on there or anything. It literally just says on it Wii to HDMI Full HD 1080p. It's such a compact tiny thing. Saying that though, it is very compact. It's actually, you know, in comparison to a Joy-Con, smaller than a Joy-Con. So as you can see, this is the back side of my Wii. You've got the USB ports here, you've got the fan, you've got the insert for the sensor bar, you've got the place where you put the power cable, and you've also got the output, which is here. Now usually what happens, as we probably all know, the output cable slots in like so, and it goes all the way up to the TV so you can play games. But what this adapter actually does is replace that cable, so you have to take your cable out and you don't actually use that at all. You slot the adapter in like so, and it can be a little annoying because it does jut out quite a lot from the back of the console. Now obviously if you have got a big, nice, roomy storage unit for it, it doesn't really matter, but if you are limited on space, it can be annoying. Now it does get even worse because if you slot in the HDMI cable into the back, then it juts out even further. But like I said, if you've got plenty of room, you should be fine. Interestingly enough, it also comes with an audio jack. So you can connect your earbuds up to it. So yeah, this is a Wii title screen, you've seen it before, nothing different from what you would expect. And this is actually what you would see through the regular output, the one that came with the Wii. So I'm not actually sure if you're going to be able to see a difference in quality. Hopefully you will, hopefully it'll be quite obvious, but I can confirm that it does look a lot better using the other method. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to change to the new output. As you can see, there is actually a very big visible difference because I've changed it from the old method of output to the new one with the adapter. It's kind of squashed it down into 4x3 instead of 16x9. So what you have to do to sort this out is you go to the Wii options, go to Wii settings, wait for it to load, and then go to screen. So there's two things you can do. If you go to widescreen settings, go up to widescreen 16.9, confirm that, and wait for it to change. Now as you can see, it hasn't actually changed yet, so what you also have to do is go to TV type, go down to ED TV/HDTV 480p, hit confirm, and it's gone again to 4:3. So when I first tried this and I saw that it hadn't changed to widescreen, I thought it was just some kind of bug or glitch, or the adapter itself was faulty or something like that. But what I didn't know until a bit of research is my TV has a setting on the actual TV itself that can affect this, so it's something to be wary of. So what I have to do is, if I go to my settings, head over to picture, and I head down to advanced settings, there is an option. So there's an option here, as you can see, that says auto. If I change the settings like so, you can see that the picture itself is changing. So if I go to 16:9, then it'll be like so. Perfect. Now yeah, this thing isn't magic, it doesn't add anything as such, but it does scale everything up so it fits a more modern TV. And to be honest, I quite like the fact that I can use modern technology, HDMI, to connect to my Wii. So actually this thing is very good if you have, for example, a HDMI switcher. So all your consoles, the outputs go to a box where you can actually choose which HDMI is active, and then that box connects to the TV with just one HDMI. It's a lot better, it's a lot cleaner, and it's nice that I can actually, for example, put my Wii in that kind of console ecosystem, if that makes sense. And yeah guys, that was my thoughts on the Wii2HDMI adapter. Now, it's not that expensive, you can get it from pretty much anywhere you can think on the internet, and I think it's just a nice little piece of kit to be able to let you use your Wii on more modern televisions. Now I just want to say thank you very much for waiting for another video. I've not actually done a video on here for quite a while, basically because I was having a bit of a rest. I don't want to burn myself out, basically. I have been uploading so many videos for so long in such a short amount of time that I thought I'd have a nice little break, and now that I'm back I want to do it a little smarter. I want to have a more consistent upload schedule, but with less videos per week. So I'm hopefully going to be uploading videos on Friday now, and every Friday, just so that I've got time to do other things in my life. I really do enjoy making videos, I enjoy uploading stuff to YouTube, but I have other things to do in my life. So as I said, thank you very much for your patience, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did enjoy this video and you enjoyed this channel, then by all means like, comment, subscribe, and share this video around with your friends. Thanks for your time.